the number of sample, and k subscript n is the critical deviate for a specific kind of sample size. Now your next question will be how to find C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, rather C6, C7. Yeah, that's right. To find the value of the coefficients, we will use these tables. This table will be used for sample size 10 to 15. However, with this table you can detect only one outlier, mind it. Okay, and here you see for 4 different skew of your data set, you can find the value of coefficients 10 to 15. So if we go to the how to calculate the critical deviate, you see for 10 to 15 we only need 3 coefficient, C1, C2, C3, not more than that. N we know, okay, the value of n is known. So go to the table, you see here the skew for high outlier, that means the maximum outlier. Maximum means by value or magnitude it is the largest, and the low outlier means by value or magnitude it is the lowest. And the coefficient value will change with the significance level also, 10%, 5%, 1%, and skew. So if it is a high outlier, the skew is given here, right? So find the skew first, but there is no requirement for that thing, minus 0.4 and less. First go for low outlier, then for high outlier, as is the case with the old method, the previous method that I have discussed on outlier detection. There is no requirement of that. Yeah. Find the skew, find the coefficient as per the level of significance that you have chosen, and you will find the value of C1, C2, C3. Correct? Okay. First find the skew of the data set. If you are skew of the data set you are first finding, and then according to the skew you find the coefficient level. Yes, coefficient value. Yes, another thing you need